Hello everyone, welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to show you how to install OptiFine for Minecraft. So if you want to get better performance and also the zoom feature in Minecraft, you will need to install OptiFine, and it's actually very easy to do. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come to this website just here. I will leave a link in the description down below. And simply when you're here, what you're going to want to do is click on the preview versions just here under the Minecraft version 1.21.1. So just click on this one just here. Now from here, you can see we can actually download this now. So I'm going to click on the mirror button just here. So quickly click on that. And now I'm going to click on the download button just here, so click on that as well. So for me, it's actually giving me the option to where to download this to, but for you, it's probably going to download straight to your downloads folder. But I'm going to choose my desktop, so I'm going to select that and click on save. Now while that is downloading, if you want to get yourself a Minecraft server, be sure to check out Apex Hosting. They have some really good high quality servers, and they also do come with DDoS protection, so be sure to check them out with the link in the description down below. Now once you've downloaded your file, mine is just here. So once you've downloaded this, what we're going to want to do is actually double click on this file. But if you do not see the coffee mug inside of here, you might need to install Java. So if you need to install Java, I will leave a link on the screen and also in the description down below to install Java. You will need to have this first before you even install OptiFine, so be sure to check that out. If you've got Java installed but you can't see this coffee mug here, what you're going to want to do is right click on this file, open with, then Java just here, so just click on that. Or you can just double click on this file if you have got the coffee mug in it. So simply from here, what we're going to want to do is come down here to click install. Just click install. Now this should take a couple of seconds to do, and there we go, we have now got OptiFine installed, so click on OK. You can get rid of this file here, you do not need that no more. Now what we're going to want to do is actually load up our Minecraft launcher, so load up your Minecraft launcher. So my Minecraft launcher has now loaded up, and down here we've got OptiFine automatically selected. Now if it's not selected for you, just come into here, click on the three little dots, or click on the little arrow there, and in here you should be able to select OptiFine. If you still can't select it, come up to installations up here, and in here, what we're going to want to do is click on new installation. And in here, we have to look for OptiFine, which is this one just here. So select that, give it a name, give it a picture as well, then click on create down here. But as we've already got OptiFine, we do not need to do that. So come back over to play, OptiFine selected and click on play. Then click on I understand and then click on play just here. So I'm now in Minecraft and I'm already getting better performance with OptiFine. Also, OptiFine does come with a zoom feature, so you can zoom in and look from a distance. So that is great. So that is how you install OptiFine for Minecraft. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like on it. Also hit that subscribe button as well. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in my next one.